and we are off, just like that. So what we're going to do, we're going to get rid of this, as this is the bad one, and also we are going to take this one off. This is the good one, and we're going to put a bit of flux on it. So put some flux on it. It's easier to come off than to put on, so guys, we are successful in removing the connector, and this is the bad flex cable, so we are going to get rid of this. This is the good one, in which we are going to put it on. So guys, what we're going to try and do here, we are going to try and solder this connector, and first, to actually do this, we will have to reduce the temperature, and we'll have to also reduce the heat. I took these off at 400. Yeah, so what we're going to do, we're going to apply some solder paste. So I'm going to go ahead and reduce the airflow, and also the temperature. We are gonna do 250 and an airflow about 5, because you don't want to be blowing the connector away with the hot air. So guys, I believe that we were successful. I just want you to take a look at the flex. We're gonna clean off the flux, and we're gonna even use some rubbing alcohol. So guys, were we successful? I think that some of the foot are a bit big. As you can see, it's perfectly aligned, but some of the foot are a bit too big, so we need to do some sort of work there. In a time like this, it's very good to have a microscope